Hi, everybody. Here is the social media page that I made for this module assignment. So it's called Social Distancing and Social Studies. Basically, something that I have identified is that social studies is consistently being brushed aside as far as funding and focus, and even in terms of importance in many school districts around the country. And so I think now more than ever, it's important to have resources where social studies educators can connect with each other and share resources, offer support, and just be able to discuss ways to navigate these challenges. So since our assignment was to create a page, this is set up more like a business. There are Facebook groups that maybe if I were to do this in actuality, I would maybe make it a group. But it does fall under the education category, so maybe it's a little easier to find. I'm not quite sure why there is a major difference between group and page, but either way, so there isn't really a place to put mission statement, but I did want to say that the purpose of it is to connect educators, and this is the story behind how I came up with this idea is that I've just seen this problem over time, and I think I'm not the only one. And so this is a space where everybody maybe can support each other. The first thing I did to open up the page is I offered up a website that I guess isn't there anymore. For the Supreme Court. I don't know where my post went, but maybe it'll show up soon. But basically, I sent this link on this page that brings you to this website right here, which is called oye.org. This is a really good example of the types of resources I'm hoping that my page will help to get out there to other educators. This is a website that is about the Supreme Court, and you can look at any case throughout history. You can view by term, you can view by year, you can view by issue, and it's awesome because it gives you a really simple breakdown of who was involved, what it was about, what the opinion was. It shows you the actual documents, so it's just a great resource, and that is something that I'm hoping that this page maybe can help promote to others. So thank you for watching, and I hope it works.